The first thing that you need to understand is when you delegate, the person to whom you will delegate will not be as good as you. Talagang mas magaling ka kasi negosyo mo yan eh. So, as far as kagalingan, hindi sila kasing galing. Pero, merong tinatawag na learning curve. Ngayon, hindi siya magaling, pero eventually, gagaling din siya. Some people I delegate, if I am 100%, they will always be 75%. Like training, I really love training sa business namin. At saka, ang dami kong experience sa alahas. Ang dami kong kaalaman sa alahas. Alam ko kung ano-ano yung mga tanong ng mga tao. But then, if I will do the training myself, matakaw sa oras ang training. Tapos yung iba aalis, yung iba may drama sa buhay and all. So, mawawala. So, magte-train na naman ako ng magte-train. So, now what I did was, I got a trainer, I trained the trainer to train. But that trainer will also not be as good as I am. But okay na. As long as tumatakbo, okay na. So, sasaluhin ko na lang yung 25%. Pero yung 75%, na-handle niya na. Tapos, as years go by, what I will notice is yung 75% niya ay magiging 100% to the point na magiging 120, 140. Mas marami pa siyang experience na ma-accumulate compared to me. The first attitude in delegation is to trust. Trust that someday gagaling din siya and also accept that umpisa lang yan. So that's the first one. No? Sabi mo, paano kung maibibigay sa kanya yung trabaho ko na hindi siya kasing galing ko? Yun. Trust lang na umpisahan tapos tututukan natin hanggang ma-reach niya yung 75% or more. That's the first one. There are steps to that. The second one, wala silang malasakit sa business ko. Ay talaga, syempre business mo yan. They will never have as much malasakit as you are. But then the nice thing about us Pinoys, tayong mga Pinoy, we are very relational. So if you treat them well, they will treat you back in a better way pa. So again, it's trust. Trusting that, wala siyang malasakit. It's just like pag nag-umpisa kayo, hindi pa kayo ganito ka-close. Are you married? Yes. Siyempre, when you are married, first of all, love pa lang kayo, loving and all. But then how do you stay married for 40 years? It's already a commitment. Diba? Parang nawala na yung romance ng boyfriend, girlfriend, and those who are married would understand it. But eventually, it's just a commitment that you have towards each other. So it's not anymore the romance that, wow, ang galing-galing ng ganon. But it is really, alam mo na I'm here for you, you are here for me. So darating kayo dyan, not within the first 6 months. Maybe not within the first 1 year. But eventually, as they know, as they feel you, and you feel them, nagiging mas close kayo, and you become part of their life, they become part of your life.